over here. Come over here. You're almost ready to come over here. Come on. Come to your Mimi. Come on.
Are you singing to us?
She's working, Mama. She's working. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. About to get it, girl. About to get it. Come on to your Mimi. Just roll right over here.
She worked so hard she squeaked out some poop to me. Come on. Come on. Come on.
She's trying to get over it.
You can do it. I know it's the aggravatingest thing. Why that arm's got to be there like a darn anchor, I don't know.
Oh, Mama.
Oh, oh, oh,
Oh,
oh. You did it! How did that happen? How did that happen?
Oh, you did it, Eva Grace.
And I don't like it here.
Oh, man, I'm glad you got that camera.
Hey, how'd you get like that? I didn't do it. I didn't do it. How'd you do that? You're still stuck on your hand, though.
But she's on her tummy. I did a good job, Mama. I did a good job.
There you go. You are.
She's about to go back.
Amory, your sissy rolled over onto her belly by herself. Now she's screaming of her victory. Hey, Amory, pull her hand out from under her belly.